Welcome to this step-by-step guide on making perfect homemade ravioli from the comfort of your own kitchen. In this video, we'll dive straight into the process, guiding you through each detail to ensure your ravioli turn out impeccably. Start by combining flour, eggs, salt, and a touch of olive oil. Mix them together until a dough forms. Follow along as we knead the dough to achieve the ideal consistency. Once your dough is ready, roll it into thin, uniform sheets. Don't forget to let the dough rest, this is crucial for achieving the best texture. We'll show you how to avoid sticking and achieve the perfect thickness. Get creative with your ravioli fillings. From classic ricotta and spinach to more unique combinations like butternut squash and sage, we'll guide you through the process of preparing and seasoning your fillings. Discover various techniques for shaping and filling your ravioli. Whether you're using molds, hand cutting, or folding methods, we'll demonstrate the art of sealing the edges securely. Learn how to cook your ravioli to achieve that delightful al dente texture. Whether you prefer boiling or pan frying, we'll provide you with the expertise to cook consistently amazing ravioli. Explore a range of sauce options that will perfectly complement your ravioli. From classic marinara to rich Alfredo, we'll also discuss how to plate your dish beautifully for a feast of flavors and presentation. Encounter any challenges? No worries. We've got you covered with expert tips to troubleshoot issues such as sticky dough or overly watery fillings. You'll have the confidence to tackle any obstacle. Once you've mastered the fundamentals, don't hesitate to get inventive. Experiment with shapes, sizes, and fillings to put your own spin on this beloved pasta dish.